Hi everyone. So today's video is in collaboration with a brand called Foxy, where they connect beauty influencers and artists with top brands and savvy shoppers. So today I am going to create a makeup look. So let's get started with it. I'll be using a primer first. So I have taken a small amount of primer in my hand, and then I'll be applying it on my face. I prefer it applying directly with my fingers. We'll spread this evenly on my face. So after applying the primer, we'll use a compact powder. We'll just apply a very small amount of this. So now I'll be doing my eyes from this palette. I'll be using a very light shade. So I'll be using this pink from the palette. This one. So we can use our fingers also. I'll be using my fingers to apply this pink color on my eyes. So have made this makeup look. You can have a look. So all the products are available on Foxy. You can go and have a look and grab your offers.